Hello everybody, we're back with steps for the open whip in West Coast Swing. So that requires a two-hand hold, so however you get there is fine with us. I'm going to share this lot on two. We'll demonstrate it first.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, so I start with the two-hand hold.
Let's do it from here, they can maybe see it better.
We're going to share the slot on count 2. So the way we do that is 1, 2. We're using standard whip footwork. I'm sharing the slot now, so I set the hands out wide. Then I do my 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then I share the slot again on count 5. Send her out on 6, 7, and 8. And I can end with a single or a double hand hold.
Okay, what I'd like to do is just show my footwork. So when I went 1, 2, 2 is a long count, so 2 I'm on my way to do what I normally, as I do a normal whip, I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm doing the same footwork, but I'm just wide here. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then, I'm sorry,
And then
5, 6, 7, and 8. I keep trying to lead it. Okay, so we're going to show you from different positions.
So I'll do it from the side. You can see I'm definitely sharing the slot. The trigger that lets the follower know is I go wide on 2 and absolutely share the slot. 1, 2, I go 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're both sharing the slot in both directions on the 5 and on the 2. So here we go again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's just the basic outside turn. Now, or is it
Open whip.
Open whip, sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do now is do it with an inside turn.
It works really well with an inside or an outside turn. So here we go on this is
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
the only thing that was different is that on that is I set the lead on count 4 for the inside turn part.
1, 2,
3 and 4. It's exactly like the underarm turn would be from closed position. 5, 6, 7, and 8 works really clean for that.
Let's do it from this direction.
This-
I think we just
You
did
just
this.
did? Okay, so here it is again. I just set a lead on 4. 1, go wide.
2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and
Real
8.
easy to do, very, very leadable. So we could do
The whip with an outside turn.
add an outside turn instead. So I've got 3 options here. Same thing, share the slot on 2.
1, 2, 3,
Set a lead for an outside turn.
5, 6, 7, and
Beautiful.
8.
You could end that with an underarm turn. 2, 3, and 4. Put you back where you were. Let's do that with her back to the camera. We're going to do the open whip.
1, 2, 3,
Outside turn.
5, 6, 7,
I
and
just
8.
line back up. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
So those are the open whips. See you later.